Program yafe egenda maaso nga wenakugambye tuli wano Capias Nursery and Primary School era nga ndina abaana abagenda okubanga bazina maganda wali eri ku stage so sabafu neno backstage yala basoke bandage mu kiche bagenda okola ntuko kuba kulaga wali ku stage nga nabazadde bawalaga ekintu nga gye kiri oli otya
bulungi
bani erinnya lyo Shanisha owulira otya
bulungi
kiki kuletedde owulira obulungi okuzina aha mugenda zina ku luyimba ki mugenda zina ku luyimba ki
Njode nyawo awa
njagala mumpeemu aha tatarandandanda nga otuzina nga tuyimba oluyimba mama
Obango yo dum njode mama obango yo dum
kati mwabali yo side tubakubire mu ngalo wata gobosoka aha genda tantarantanta tararantanta tararantanta tanantara tantarantanta tararantanta tararantanta nange kane yunge kwata tararantanta tararantanta tantarantanta
Good luck.
Thank you very much. Tonight we are to talk about a number of issues regarding various areas. And dear viewers, you are allowed to text an SMS so as to participate in the conversation. The number free online is 8383. Members, there is always something perturbing my mind as to why children of these days no longer have respect for their elders. Madam Miracle, what do you think is the root cause of all this?
Hey, Patricia, you are so right. First and foremost, a child does no longer belong to the community. Those days back, during our childhood, it was everyone's obligation to get concerned about the child's behavior, unlike this era of .com, whereby a parent could shout at you in case you insult his or her child.
Dear viewers, wherever you could be, believe me or not, children have really lost their ethics and the people to blame are the parents. Charity always begins at home. If a child is not groomed at home, there is no way he or she can have respect for elders.
Discipline is one major factor contributing to all that. Look at the general personality of parents. One of the members has mentioned it clearly that charity begins at home. I don't know whether you people have ever taken concern to check the dressing code of parents.
I almost lost my sight one time when I was in downtown and my eyes landed on almost a naked lady.
Sure? Do you mean it?
Yes, I mean it. The dress was too transparent and moreover she had her daughter by her hand.
Oh my God!
How do you expect such a child to be disciplined?
Our wives no longer want to kneel down, and on top of that, they are no longer submissive and welcoming. What's not happening?
Indeed, let's talk more about this. If a parent happens to buy for a child a long dress, she will not appreciate it. Instead, she wants leggings, coon shoes, back shoes, tight jeans, name it all. But remember, the end result of poor dressing code is landing into hot soup.
Remember, a child grows seeing what the parents do. If good behavior is practiced at home, there is no way a child will lack discipline. To my surprise, some people don't know that discipline is the key to success. How will the children be successful if their parents have not instilled discipline in them?
On the side of modern technology, the worst is now to the worst. Children no longer want to do any piece of work at home. They spend most of their time watching television, playing games, surfing, Googling, and name it all.
I advise whoever is here has got a child be responsible enough. Control the remote whereby stations which are not suitable for children are shut down and let the children do some work at home.
To you children out there, do the right thing and at the right time in the right place. Parents, learn how to groom your children so as to be important citizens in the future.
Okay, akasera kano mbantuse ku session eyo kubanga mboza koko kubazadde lwaki bazze wano lwaki bawaddeyo obudde ki ekisinza okubanyumira era nga wano waliwo omukyala gwengenda okubanga mbuuza nyabo gye baliko
kale nyabo
amanyego nyabo
Nakyayina Dorothy
owulira otya
bulungi nyabo
ekisinza okusensa
bana performinga
mwana w'omulabi
yes nyabo
koze eki
akoze debate n'azina yenya
azinya atya
bulungi
soko tulagemu omwana nga bwazinye mama jangu nedda mama kakwatireko ne ku ssimu yo kiba kisoboka omwana yani amanyage
Yamagero Trevor
soko tulagemu Trevor no naye ali awo agenda kulaba akoze atya Trevor soko tulagemu koona takyusizaamu kyusaamu nga Trevor wakyusiza wanji mama wanji akalala Trevor kakoze mama Trevor omulabye neyanza nyonyabo neyanzege okay ngenda maso nokubanga nyumyamu n'abazadde katudde atera ku stage tulabe abaana ebintu ebinjawulo bye bakola program neziko kulima tukyagenda maso
Manya gange nze Sekalala Halil nga somera wano kwa Piers Primary School. Nga tukyagenda mu maaso ne program ezikokolima ne Pamela wano kwa Piers katumulemu katono.
Good. Give me a high five. Ciao.